Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So in this video, I will explain how to get supplier feedback in just few minutes, not few hours. So I will show you how to invite manufacturer into your Altium workspace and get a rapid feedback and turn that feedback into track using a supplier email address. So let's get started. As we know, when we open the workspace, the interface will look like this, and here are your projects available. And when you open the project, here is the schematics file, and you can open in your Altium Designer Develop software. And when let's open it, and it's opened now. So all the files that were saved on the workspace now opened in the Altium Designer. So let's open the schematics. These are the schematics files. So here's the PCB to get the supplier or to send the files to the supplier for his feedback for on the DFM. You have to first release the project. So as we already discussed in our previous videos, how can we release the project? So I am preparing the files. It is now loading the files. Let's wait a few seconds. It will prepare all the files for release. As you can see, these files are preparing. The tick on the file indicates these files are created for the release. So here you can now add the release note as I am adding hi. Hope you are doing good. It's the official release. Thanks. Thanks. So click on OK button. This release will be uh, reflected to our workspace. So we can send then this release file to the manufacturer. Here you can see in the option source files, fabrication files, and the assembly files. We will see in our workspace as well. Let's open the workspace in a while. So let's save this first and then open the workspace. Here you can see in the releases, it's loading. These are all the releases. On the top is the latest one. So to send, you can see the send to manufacturer option on the right side. You can send from there. So before sending, you can see here source files, all the source files as we seen in the Altium Designer software. Here are the fabrication files and these are the assembly files. So these files will be sent to the manufacturer for the DFM analysis. So you can see the full release in the browser as well. Click on the full release option and it will open the release in your browser. Here you can see the preview of the PCB and all the details of your project. Schematic files, there are five schematic files and one schematics library, one PCB file. PCB library is also one output Joe files and comtesttech file. So also the whole sizes are there. So click on the send to manufacturer option. This box will be open. Here you can add more files, source file, and then click on OK button. So in the manufacturer email option, you can add the so first remove this issue. It's here written wrong. So remove this as I use the. If you don't remove this, so it will not be sent to the manufacturer. The error will be come out to the screen. So in the manufacturer email section, add the manufacturer email. I'm adding this email address. So let me add this. And when you click on the send button, it will be sent to the manufacturer. It's and all the files which we have added now sent to the manufacturer. The email will be sent to the manufacturer and with all the files, and he can see from there all the files and what the message we have sent for the review. So I am adding one more email, my own email, so I can show you how the email sent to the manufacturer and how he will receive the email. So let's send it again. So yeah, wait a second and it will be sent. Now open, it's basically, let's say, the manufacturer email address. Here you can see got the manufacturer got the email from the designer with all the files. So he can now open the files and can see and can do the DFM analysis on the files. So here he can the manufacturer can then directly reply, thanks for your, as I am replying as a manufacturer, thanks for your email. I will we will review the files and provide feedback in few in an hour. Okay, so in this way the manufacturer will write the message, and I am indicating myself as a manufacturer and the designer as well. So I'm writing this mail, and then we can use the send option. Let's click on the send. Now it is send to the send to the designer the email, and here you can see these are my workspaces, and if you go below here you can see all the manufacturers to whom I have sent the mail and my release. So in the history option you can drag all your history, whatever you have made recently. So the latest is the project released. So today we have seen how can we send the files to the manufacturer using different option in the workspace. So that's all for today's video. Follow us for the coming videos.